So welcome back, guys. I actually wanted to do a small little update on the young birds today, because as you can see by the droppings, they're actually quite sick. Some of them are actually puking as well, which is really bad. Let's see, look at the droppings. That's really not good. We actually put a lot of chalk in the boxes already, but it helps a little bit, but not, it doesn't take all the water out, of course. Or looks like we have a visitor. I'll have to take that one out. But yeah, some of the birds are actually quite sick, so I haven't let them out at all. They're actually growing quite old, starting to fight and such. Yeah, let's get them all over there. This one as well. Come on. So as you can see, we actually lost quite a few birds. From the last time I let them out, 4 stayed away, but 1 came back on its own and we got a call for the other one. So yeah, I think we have about 41 birds remaining, around 40-ish from the first round, that is. We also have 23 from the second round, of course. Look who's quiet all of a sudden. Yeah, that's the grizzle. We actually didn't lose any of the birds we thought that were gonna perform good. Like, it was only birds we were trying out, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, and one of my subscribers also was kind of shocked by the stamp of our telephone number in the wing of the pigeon. I thought that was commonly known that you did that to young birds, so if they would land at another fancier's loft, they could call you easier, but it seems like it's not known, so I'll say it now. We stamp all the young birds once, and when they molt, we don't do it again. So yeah, I'll take one to show you. So yeah, I've got a bird right now. It's a wild check. So what we do is we stamp our telephone number in one of the big flying feathers right there twice, and we do it on each wing. You can see it isn't necessary to do it on each wing, but some fanciers do it 3 times on one side of the wing, which is also a good way to do it, but we do it twice on every wing. So let's talk over about the disease again. Actually, a lot of pigeons have had it in this loft. As you can see, there's even some feet which they puke out there as well. We didn't go to the vet yet, but we talked to a few other fanciers and they have pigeons that have it as well. So I don't know if I'm pretty sure it's not adeno, because that would spread faster and this doesn't spread as fast. So might as well be corona, like who knows at this point. And that's actually one of our good strain right there. Yeah, that's gonna be from probably my my dad's uncle. These pigeons all sometimes want to come inside. Let's see. Yeah, it's a red one. Oops. Yeah, it doesn't have our ring on. Let's take a look at the second round ones. See? Look at what I mean, those droppings are really not good. I don't think we've lost any birds in this loft. But we also put some chalk in, as you can see. I don't think anyone has puked in here yet. No, doesn't look like it. Even the old birds and yearly birds we raise, some of them have it, so yeah, I don't know what's going on, but it's quite bad. Although you would think they'd stop eating much when they're sick, which some do from some diseases, but these are actually not losing their appetite. They're still quite hungry. So yeah, if any of you know what those droppings and such mean, those are really green and then those are really watery. So they're really, it's quite certain that they're quite sick, but yeah, I don't know what it is yet. It's definitely not life threatening for them, like adeno and such is, because they actually die from adeno and they don't die from this, but yeah. They actually don't look that sick. A sick bird would like sit still and make himself fluffy, but these ones don't. So I don't think it hurts them that much. It's just not a good sign, you know. So yeah, let's take another quick look at these ones. You can really tell this loft was way fuller when we didn't let them out yet. I mean, 8 birds or so are gone, so you really start to see it in this loft. So yeah, this lock really needs to be fixed as well, because it's really hard. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed a quick little update on the young birds. So yeah, you know what to do. See you guys.